The crankshaft positioning sensor is located on the right side of the bell housing up near the top, red arrow. It is a tight fit in there, and you're going to be doing a lot of this by feel. Begin by safely jacking up the vehicle and removing the right rear tire. For additional assistance with that, please see our article on safely lifting and supporting your vehicle if needed. Use AT40 torque and a 1/4-inch drive to access the single screw holding the sensor to the bell housing indicated by the red arrow. Remove the screw. There is a spacer between the sensor and the bell housing. Do not drop the screw or spacer and remove the sensor from the housing. Press in on the clip, red arrow, and separate the wiring connection. On the 991 Gen 1, you do not need to chase the wiring connection back into the engine compartment. The distance between the magnet on the sensor and the teeth on the flywheel is critical. Make sure that you reinstall the spacer. Failure to do so can cause contact between the sensor and the flywheel. Installation is the reverse of removal. Plug the sensor back in before you install it. It is easier that way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.